Welcome to our sports and entertainment guide. Here is Matthew speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is 15 FT trampoline with basketball hoop inflator and ladder inner safety enclosure, orange. 1. Our trampolines are equipped with PE sleeves outside the black EPE foam on safety net tubes. These sleeves make the trampoline more advanced and protect the black EPE foam from sun, wind, rain, and thus help it last much longer because this PE material has passed American UV standard test. 2. The reinforced jumping mat PP has passed American UV standard 5,000 hours test. Padding cover PE and safety net PE has passed American UV standard 500 hours test. 3. Our trampolines are equipped with basketball board, hoop, net, rubber ball, inflator, and ladder. It provides overall fun for children and helps connect parents with their kids. 4. Our basketball board can be installed inside the safety net and outside the safety net, which means that users can play basketball inside the trampoline and outside the trampoline. 5. 6 PCS strong W-shaped legs give trampoline frame steady support. 6. ASTM F300-8116 and ASTM F2225-15 tested CSI attested, CPC certified. The useful specifications are for some specification. If you cannot find from the video, please contact our sales via Dana's website. Product size: 15 FT**, 15 FT** 8.86 FT. Product NW: 156 lbs. Spring quantity: 84 PCS. Basketball board size: 710/450 20 mm. Rubber ball diameter: 180 mm. Weight capacity: 120 kgs/264 pounds. About Sports and Entertainment Guide Channel. Dana's is a professional store for fitness and sports family healthcare products, which includes elliptical trainers, exercise bikes, inversion, equipment, rowers, step machine, trampolines, treadmills, vibration platforms, fishing kayaks, weight bench, water sports weight rack, exercise equipment sought after by consumers, cost-effective products, and localized delivery services. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, Dana's can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. For wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via nancyjchristensen2@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.